Good morning, students. Today's we have to discuss in the asymptotic rotations. Here, asymptotic rotation means it is used to represent the time complexity. Here, time complexity are divided into a best, worst, average cases. That we have to indicate some rotations. It have a 5 types of rotations: big O rotations, big omega rotation, theta rotation, and little o rotation and little omega rotations. These are a 5 rotations. We have to discussion one by one. First one is big O rotation. Big O rotation means it is indicating by O symbol. We have to see that one, that is indicating by O symbol, and it is used for worst case situation. In worst case, we have to representing the big O rotations. Definition of big O rotation: the function f of n equal to big O of or order of g of n. Here big O is also called as order of or big O rotation, and there is exist and constant c and a positive integer n, and such that f of n greater than or equal to c into g of n. Here c is a constant and n is a some constant values, positive values for all n less than or greater than or equal to 0, and it is a representing in the upper boundary of f of s. Okay, we have to take in the some example. F of n is equal to 3n plus 2. What is the order of this one? Here we have to take in the f of n is equal to 3n plus 2 and g of n is equal to n. Then we have to prove that the f of n equal to order of g of n. Order of g of n. Here we have to prove that f of n less than or equal to constant of g of n. Here we have to take into the one by one. Here c is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. Then we have to put in f1 and g of n. Then we have to get the false. 5 less than or equal to 1. We have to get that one. Next we have to prove that c equal to 2 and n is equal to 1. Then we have to get the 5 less than or equal to 2. That is also false, that conditions. Next we have to take in the c is equal to 4 and n is equal to 2. Here we have to put this c value and n value in s of n less than or equal to c into g of n. Then we have to get that one, 8 less than or equal to 8. This condition is a true, so we have to n is a greater than or equal to 2. These are one of the example of the big O rotation. Next slide we have to see the graph of the big O rotation. Here we have to f of x less than or equal to c of g of n. This means of the we have to g of n is a greater value, so it is a lower boundary. It is a upper boundary representation. Here it is a so that upper boundary representation. This is a big O rotation. Next one is big omega rotation. Here big omega rotation, this is the second one, big omega rotation. In big omega rotation is used to indicating by omega symbol, and it is representing by the best case time complexity, and it takes the minimum amount of the time to run an algorithm. Hence it is a lower boundary representation. It means has taken the minimum time, so it is representing the lower boundary of the f of x. For examples, we have to see that f of x is equal to, we have to go to the example. First we have to see the definition of the omega rotation. The function f of n equal to omega of g of n if only if exit and constant c and positive integer of n, such that f of n greater than or equal to constant into g of n for all n and n naught is a less than or equal to 0. This is a Omega rotation, and we have to take into the example. It means we have to take into the f of s is a f of n is a greater value. Prove that f of n greater than or equal to c into g of n. It means f of n is a greater value. We have to show that one. So it is taken to the minimum amount of the time. For example, we have to take into the f of n is equal to 3n plus 2 and g of n is equal to 3n. Here one by one we have to substituting the 1. Here we have to, first case we have to take into the n is equal to 1. Then we have to put that 1. We have to get the 4 less than or equal to 3. So it is a greater value. F of n is a greater. So it is a first case is a greater. So hence f of n equal to omega of g of n, where n greater than or equal to 1. It is proved. Next slide we have to see the graph representation of the omega rotation. Here we have to omega rotation from first we have to see that f of n has a minimum time we have to carrying that. It means it is taken to the minimum value to any algorithm. This is a omega rotation. We have to see that one f of n is in upper boundary and c of g of n is we have to see that lower boundary. So it is a omega rotation. So you have to see that one c of g of n is a upper boundary, that is we have called the big O rotation. This is a big omega rotation. Next, theta rotation. This is a third type of the rotation. In theta rotation we have to indicating by the theta symbol, and it is used to representing the average case time complexity. It takes average time to execution or a run of an algorithm, hence it is a average case boundary. It means what is the boundary here? It is average, so it is taking the average boundary in a graph. Next we have to go to the graph. Next we have to first of all definition. Here definition, the function of f of n theta equal to theta of g of n if only if there exist constant c1 and c2 is a positive integer n1 and not belongs to exit. Here we have to take the formula c1 such that c1 into g of n less than or equal to f of n less than or equal to c2 into g of n for all n and n naught greater than or equal to 1 and c greater than or equal to 0. For we have to see that the examples. Here we have to take into the same example in big O and big omega rotation. Here we have to take in s of n is equal to 3n plus 2 and g of n is equal to 3n. We have to prove that the theta rotation. We have to prove that the theta rotation. Sf of n is equal to theta of g of n. Then we have taken the values. Here we have taken to the c1 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 4 and not is n we have taken to the 2. We have to substituting these values in below equation. Here c1 is a 3 into 3n. This means a 6n less than or equal to 3 into 2 plus 2. It means a 6 plus 2 8 greater than or equal less than or equal to 4 into g of n, 4 into 3 into 2, 4 into 6 24. It is a true, so we have to all cases are a true. So c1 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 4 and n equal to 2. We have to take into the another values, so we have to test that one. This is a theta rotation. Here it is having a average cases. Okay, you have to take into the, we have to upper boundary, you have to show the c2 g of n, and here it you have to lower boundary, we have to c1 g of n. This are a theta rotation representation, and it is a fourth one, little o rotation. Here little o rotation definition, the function f of n equal to little o g of n, limit of f of n by the g of n equal to 0 for all n and n less than or equal to 0. It means you have to take into the value limit of, here we have taken the example s of n is equal to, here you have to prove that the f of n equal to little o of g of n. Here we have to take into the f of n is a 3n plus 2 and the g of n is a n2. Okay, here we have to take into the n2. Here we have to substitute that one. Limit of f of n is 3 plus 2 by n2. We have to get that value is a n value. We have to get the value is a n value. So it is a little o rotation. Next one is a little omega rotation. Little omega rotation is a different. This is star one, last one, little omega rotation. The function f of n equal to omega of g of n if limit of g of n less by f of n equal to 0 for all n not less than or greater than or equal to 0. For example, we have to take into the 3n plus 2 and little omega 3n square. Here we have to getting the value is a n. These are rotations. And next we have to analyzing the algorithms. Here we have to take into the main problems is a m is an algorithm. Suppose n is a size of the input. We have to take an input. We have to take in the size is n. The complexity of f of n of the m increment and as n also increment is as usually rate of the increment of the s of n. It means of the algorithm step is the increment, then we have to size of the input also increment, then as usually we have to increment the f of n. Here we have to most of the common computing types. First we have to start with a constant, next big O of the log 2n and big O of the n and big O of the n log 2n and big O of n square and big O of n cube and big O of 2n and n. Exponent, first we have to calculating the factorial. Here we have to take into the sum functions. Time complexity array classifications into a some functions. It is also called as a frequency count. First one is a constant, big one is a constant. Here statement will be executed in compiler only once. In that cases we have to take into the constant values. Next one is linear. Here linear statement will be execution by the compiler in n number of times. Then we have to take into the linear cases. Big O of n, linear cases. Next one is logarithmic. Logarithmic means a statement will be execution by the compiler in half of the times. We have to suppose we have to large number of input, we have to take into the half of. For each and every time the work area is divided into half its work area. In situation we have to cutting to the logarithmic. Next one is quadric, n cube. This or a n square has a quadric. It means a statement will be execution by the compiler n into n times. So that is a n square times. And n cube. Cubes. Here cubes functions. The statement will be execution by the compiler n into times. Just such kind is called as the cuboid functions. And exponent functions, x power n and q power n, these are exponent functions. These are 5-6 functions to analyzing to the algorithm. These are 6 functions to analyzing the algorithm for any numerical comparison of different algorithms. These are 6. We have to take into the n value in a 1, 2 and a largest element. Here what is the difference here? Here log 2 power n is a logarithmic, linear, quadric and exponent. We have to see that one. Here input size is a 1. Then we have to take in the logarithmic is 0. Log of 2 0 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. And n square is a 1 and n cube is a 1. 2 power n is a 2. Next, that's why here n values we have to take into the 2. The logarithm is a 1. N into log 2n. Here is 2 into log 2n. It means 4. If we have to get in the 2, 1, 8, 1. It means we have to take in the 16, n is equal to 16. Log 2 of 16, it means 4. We have to get the 4, and n into log 2 get the 64. N square is 16 square is 256. N cube is 496 and 61. It means have we taken to the logarithm is of some best cases, and we have taken to the n square n cube 2 power n with is sorry, we have to get the worst cases here. And 2 power here to last case n is equal to 256. It means here log 2 power 2 into 256 we have to get the 8. 256 into log 2n and 256 square and 256 cube and n 2 power of 256. This are a for example of we have to take into the some input size. We have to different cases, and we have to take in some 6 functions. What are the here input? We have to take in the numerical values. This are a analyzing of algorithm. Okay, these are a analyzing of the algorithm. One way to compare the function f of n with the standard function is used to for a functionalities. Well, we have to take in some rotations. This rotation is best case, this rotation is worst case. We have to indicate that one. Easily we have to identify the algorithm. It is a number of algorithms. We have to one solution. We have to take in the one problem. That problem we have to getting the many solutions. It means of a many algorithms. That many algorithms we have to pick the one algorithm that is difficult. So we have to take into the some time complexity, space complexity. We have to analyzing the best complexity. That is a big O rotation. Suppose the f of n and g of n are a function defined on the positive integers. Property that f of n is a boundary of the g of n and almost the f of n is a order of the g of n. We have to take in some example. Linear search is a big order of n. It means a big O of n. It means we have to linear searching means we have to searching a one element. That element is found at a last position. That time that is a worst case. So big O of n and in. This means each element we have to check that one up to of the n times. So it is getting the big O. And the worst case is a big O of a log n. Binary search for and the bubble sort is a big O of n square and matches what is a big O of n log n. And we have to also analyzing the probability analysis also. We have to take in some probability analysis algorithm to approach the estimation the algorithm. Here complexity of algorithm or a computing a one problem, it's starting a assuming about in a probability decision. We have to take into the one assuming that it is a probability analyzing. The design into affecting algorithm to divide the complexity is known as the algorithm. This is our algorithm analysis, and thank you for all.